guys, naglalagay tayo ng stamp yan at saka rubber stamper sa panel 128. So ngayong gabi ang aming dinidisan din guys ay panel 128 na 1000 mm ang thickness. Ang lalim niya 18 meters 18 meters na lalim na guys. So dalawang set lang yung bakal natin. Ayun yung bakal guys eh. Sa dulo yun, yung dalawang sunod na bakal na yun, yung gagamitin natin mga rito pagkatapos yung sanding. So siguro mga 330 approximate ang paglalagay natin ng bakal, yung pagbuhulog ng bakal. Yan guys, panel 128 itong nilalagyan natin ng stopper, rubber stopper. Medyo mabilis ngayon yung trabaho natin guys. Hindi ganong kalaliman yung inuukay natin. 18 meters ito, yung kabila kahapon 34 meters. Pinitisan din natin guys yung mga ito eh. At the same time, naglalagay tayo ng stopper sa right side panel sa kanan. We are going to install right now the stopper and with the stopper on the center. So guys, this is the panel 128, and at the same time we are doing right now for the descending of panel 128 also. So guys, it's around 3:30 or 3 o'clock we're going to stop this descending when we got this 1% sand content resolution. So we are going to test up to 3 o'clock, and when we got this 2% or 1% sand content, so we stop this sanding and we're going to install the river gauge. Guys, we are ongoing to install or to fix it, the stopper and the rubber stopper at the center. This is a panel 128 guys, and the depth is 18 meters. The length is 7 meters guys. So yeah, so guys, please follow my YouTube channel and watch my full channel, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.